Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, or you can call me Bree, and today we're gonna be unboxing the Beats Solo. And sorry for the glare, you can see from the little wrapping that's around it. But anyways, I've been wanting headphones for quite some time, and I originally wanted Apple headphones, but of course they're super expensive, so I decided might as well get some of these Beats. I've had Beats before a while back, like a couple years ago, so now I'm gonna have some wireless Beats headphones. Also, these were on sale because they're like $200, and when I went to Best Buy they were $120, so I thought that wasn't a bad price compared to $200. Now we're gonna open these Beats, and I got them in black because there was black and pink and red, and I love pink, but I didn't like that kind of pink that they had there. So we're just unwrapping it. Nothing crazy. And then you just slide it open. And right in the front, I can see the Beats logo. I guess you open this like a book, or no, you just open like an iPhone. Whoop. And here in the front, change the way you hear sound. Very nice and luxurious packaging, I can say, because I don't remember how my Beats box looked like when I had them. And then I just take off you open this tab, and right there you can see the Beats in its box. Look at this little pouch. I remember that they came with little pouches. I mean, I don't like zip noises, but let's open this up. And there you go. Little Beats Solo in black. And I know I'm gonna probably keep them in this size because I do have a small head. And I originally wanted the bigger ones, but everyone told me they look too big on me. So I can only imagine if I were to get the Apple ones, how big they would look on me. And here it just says charge me up. So I guess it shows you when you charge it up. And then on the other side it says on ear controls for wireless mode. So you can pause or play the music or answer your phone. So pulling this out is the wires and a clip for the bag. So I guess you could clip it on the go, put it on your backpack or anywhere else. And it's so cute how like they package these items. And then here's like the USB end and the other end to charge the headphones. And then here's a little pamphlet with all the information you need. Now pair with great music, try Apple Music for free. I already have Apple Music, so thank you. A little Beats Solo guide. Get the Beats app to stay up to date. And a sticker, of course. I'm probably gonna give this sticker to my cousin because he has a sticker to wear. Because I don't know what I'm gonna do with that sticker. And then some more important information from the brand. And I'm gonna put this back in this little pamphlet. I think that's so cute that they have this little pamphlet. In case you're wondering how to set up Bluetooth, there is a button right here, and you just press and hold it down to connect to the Bluetooth on your phone. I've heard it's really easy to pair up with other phones and Bluetooth items. Like, I like to connect to my laptop a lot, and I do have AirPods, but I've been disliking my AirPods because I feel like they're always dying. I've heard the battery is super great. It's 40 hours of battery life, and honestly, that's a pretty long time. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. This is how they look on me. I think they look funny in general, no matter what headphones I wear. But let me know if you guys have had Beats before and if you like Beats. Also, let me know on your thoughts on Apple headphones, because maybe they'll be my next purchase after I wear the heck out of these. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.